Okay, so welcome back, guys. And this time around, I'll be working with the Bitcoin chart, and this is the current view of the monthly chart. And quickly, I'm going to do some markups here. So there is this point here, like the point of consolidation that I had. So this would be like the first support that the second support that price had within this price, like here from this point to that point. And the first one was here. Usually, I mark these levels as level one and the level two of consolidation in the once I see that another condition has been made, like for example, there is a clearing of buy sell liquidity here. So you see that there was a double top here, which are just relative equal highs and they were cleared here. So that's just the buy sell liquidity. Means stop losses were being held here for those people who saw this move to this point here in the not take profits in they left their positions hanging until the market got back to this point there. So you see that this is the buy sell liquidity and it was cleared there. So this condition once it's made, my focus shifts from being bullish to being bearish. So now I'll be looking for market structure that will be supporting bearishness within this price leg here. So I'm going to switch to the lower time frames, so that will be the weekly chart, and see if we have the market structure that will be supporting bearishness in this coin. So far you see that there is also some similar levels of consolidation within this price leg. So this will be my level one of consolidation in the we have another here that is this already information in the probably might be supporting price high up, probably reaching for a level like say probably 130. Because I don't expect price to trade higher than that because we are already in the last push phase. So I don't think there's going to be a very significant pump above this high here. So that's just my view in the terms of strength on the last push that big Bitcoin might have based on the trading model that I'm following here. So the opportunities of buying this last push phase are within this consolidation here. But whether we might get to this inefficiency here, which might support price up, it will also depend in another element of my trading model. So that will be like some sort of a block which will be blocking price from getting into this inefficiency here. So let me just switch to the daily chart and see what we have within this consolidation in the I'm going to highlight this inefficiency there so that we might see it as well. Yes. Now the daily chart. So about the inefficiency there, I'm going to fine tune it to that level there, and there is this low here in the most of the times it acts like a block which prevents price from trading into this inefficiency. So that means the support is already ready for now, and you should be looking for the buy setups within this area here. So this will not be traded through, and if it gets traded through, well, that's just the market being right. But in terms of my model here, I'm not expecting price to reach into this inefficiency and then go up. But from this area here, in the where we add here, this is where the point I will be like looking for buy setups and the trying to reach for the is a target like the buy side liquidity that we have here in the probably reach for the other levels like 124, 126 there, but I don't think it'll get far higher than 130. That's just depending on my model. So I'll switch to the lower time frame, the forward chart, and see what I have is what is happening in if I can be looking for buy setups. One thing that I'd like to highlight is that in the previous video, which had no voice, I did talk about this high being cleared before a sale. In the after that sale is when I will be looking for that buy, and you can see that the condition was made here. A sell followed, and now this sell is right here, but within the range of this candle here. In the it is where also that I'm seeking to see some buy setup. So I'm going to continue switching to the lower time frame and see if there are opportunities to buy. So on the 4 hour chart, you see that there is also the very same price signature, just that it is on the sell side cave, and the of level one, level two price reached for low here, clear the sell side, to clear the which is just uh equals here, double bottom. There's a double bottom there, and price reach for them, turn back into the range. Now he's trying to take this low here, and the like I said, this here will act like a block from preventing price reaching far into this inefficiency there. So let's see what's currently unfolding in the lower time frames and see if there are buy opportunities there. So I'm trading, if it's to place a trade here, I'll buy from this point and then place my stop loss here, because this is where will be my this is where the last defense for price to get into this inefficiency is. So buy here, stop loss here. The first target will be here, and the last target will be just like a little bit higher, maybe to 120 there. So you see that that's just so many points. But going in the lower time frame and see if there is a change in state of delivery, you see that the stop loss will be like a little bit slim than what we might have here on the forward chart. So let's switch to the 1 hour chart quickly to see what we have. So that's the price action that I was talking about. So far, price tried to take the low here, this low here, but it failed. In the zooming in, you see that there was a little break of market structure here. There was a high, price traded below it, hitting the low, and it now pushed up in the left a fair value gap here, traded into it, and then this supported the price a little bit higher. Now price is trading just within the range from this point to that point there. But for now, this is what I'll call like some sort of bearish setup for me. This will be the first setup that I would take if I was to be aggressive enough for this move here. So I'm going to place my order there, pivot trading. Oh, it's not active. Yeah. So, but anyways, this is where I'll buy my Bitcoin from this point, and the first target would be this one. The second would be this one, and the last one would be say 120 at least. But if it's to be very serious, is to be very very serious, then I'll be trying to be taking purchase from this point here, this point here, and the have so many positions open here, and be targeting like this one. Second will be this one, the third one, fourth one, and the fifth one will be like say at 112, and the sixth one will be 116, and the last one will be at probably 120. That's what I would do if I was to be very aggressive with the Bitcoin here. So for now, this is what I had for the Bitcoin, and I would say that there is an opportunity to buy the coin at this point. And if you're from buying from this point here, I would have my stop loss at 85. So that's just so many points. But if I was to narrow it, then it will be here, a little bit. So that will be 86. So now we are at 93, and this will be like so many points in it, and they might follow it up with this low here, trying to make it so slim. So I think 880 would do. 88 would do. So that's what I had for the Bitcoin in terms of analysis, and I see that there is a buy opportunity there. So as you can see, I just placed the trade there, and the buy with the stop loss here. And the take profit would be here. I'll just be waiting for price to do whatever it does, and if it's a win, you see that the take profit, take profit will be tagged, and if it's a loss, the stop loss gets triggered, and this will be the first attempt there. The second will come maybe after it leaves this stop loss, and maybe reach for to go here, because I really believe that it might not get this far and reach into this inefficiency there. But the market is always right. In the we just trade what we're presented with. So so far that's just the view that I have for this market. And I'll just be waiting to see if this trade here might materialize, and I'll act accordingly depending on whatever that I'll be saved. So guys, thank you for being with me in this video, and thumbs up for reaching this far. Me and the very end of this video. Thank you.